Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essentials of paraphrasing. Specifically, we'll focus on using signal phrases in MLA and APA formats. Paraphrasing means restating someone else's ideas in your own words. More often than not, you are best off writing the quoted words of your sources as they probably said it best. However, paraphrasing can be helpful if you are simplifying a complex topic or creating a direct parallel between your thesis and the content you are remapping with your language interpretation. It's a powerful way to show understanding, but it must be cited correctly to avoid plagiarism. Just because you put something into your words doesn't mean it is your unique content. Paraphrasing must still be cited. Tip 1. Always restate the idea fully in your own words. This means rephrasing the entire concept and not just swapping out a few synonyms. You want to shake up the sentence structure, change entire phrases, and use new sentence designs. Just make certain you write the same truthful content. It is no fair to paraphrase if you change the meaning of the content. Tip 2. Understand the original source before you paraphrase. Make sure you grasp the core idea well enough to explain it without looking back. If you even accidentally changed the meaning of the content in your attempt to paraphrase, you might be seen as engaging in a violation of academic integrity. Like plagiarism, even accidental plagiarism is still plagiarism. Tip 3. Use a signal phrase to introduce the source. That is, you need to contextualize or cue the reader up for the introduction of new content. For example, according to bell hooks, love is a transformative political force. Tip 4. Always include an in-text citation. It doesn't matter if you alter it into your own language. You must cite the idea and its ideator. Even in your own words, the idea still belongs to someone else, so cite it. Tip 5. Keep your paraphrase similar in length to the original. If it's too long, you might be adding too much analysis. Tip 6. Preserve the author's meaning, not their words. Restructure as needed, but ensure you accurately reflect the original idea. If you aren't sure you can do that, then stay safe and quote instead. Tip 7. Blend the paraphrase with your own voice. It should flow naturally within your writing style, maintaining consistency. But always cite. Finally, tip 8. Follow up with your own analysis. Before you leave a paragraph with your paraphrased content, explain how that content supports your thesis and declared purpose. This connects the paraphrase to your thesis, enhancing your argument. Remember, effective paraphrasing shows intellectual maturity, but quoting shows wisdom when faced with the complexity of rearranging someone else's ideas into new words. Engage with the material to strengthen your credibility as a writer.